will now be recorded.
Right, so let's get started. And so first and foremost, before we jump into the agenda of today's session, we would just like to thank all of you for showing immense support to our initiative, Cases Over Coffee. We are trying to build a community of knowledge-seeking individuals. This is open for both students, professionals, and people who are at a business school or engineering college or any kind of students. Right? We'll delve into greater details. So let's just kick things off. Pawan, if we can quickly scroll down a little bit. Right, guys. So today we are going to today we are essentially going to answer 8 key points about Cases Over Coffee, which is an initiative that we are currently running. And towards the end, we will leave some time for questions. Right. A lot of people have messaged us asking us what cases are, what do you mean by cases, and they're interested to know what case solving is. So I'm assuming that we have a range of people on this webinar, starting right from a very intermediate or beginner level to advanced level who are solving cases. So cases can mean different things. So let us just quickly clarify the word cases. Otherwise, it might be very confusing going forward. When we say the word case, people might assume different things about it. So cases basically means that we are talking about management consulting cases. So there are management consulting firms, for example, BCG, Bain, McKinsey, Dalberg, A.T. Kearney, PwC, Ernst & Young. There are several other organizations like education-centric organizations like Education First. There is Amazon, which gives out cases, right? So we are talking about those kind of business-related cases that are given out to you at the time of interviews, right? Even these days, even IT firms have started using case solving to test candidates. So when we say cases, it means that we are essentially looking at business cases and how these are solved and what kind of skill set you need to solve these cases. So we are not talking about like murder mysteries that are solved in Sherlock Holmes. We are specifically trying to talk about business problems. Just to give a quick example, I'm sure that you guys have might have filled a form. There was a short question there, right? That how do food delivery companies get back to pre-corona level virus revenue? So if this is a problem statement that you saw or a similar problem on that sheet, these are the type of business problems you are asked during your case, right? So this is what cases mean. On today's session, we are not going to cover topics like what management consultants do, etc. We are just going to do a very quick introduction of what you can get from this network of Cases Over Coffee, and that will help you assess whether to formally enroll or not. Right, so that is the primary things that we are going to comment upon. Okay, so just very quickly, who we are. So you can see Pawan here dancing. So I'll, first hand over the virtual mic to him. He'll quickly introduce and tell us what he's doing standing on the bench at INSEAD. So Pawan, very quickly, if you can introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you guys. Thanks for joining us. On the right hand side, you can see me. I was trying to entertain my classmates during a Desi week where we were telling about Indian culture to a lot of foreigners. So very quickly, briefly about me, guys. I have close to 10 years experience in the management consulting industry. So I worked with McKinsey and interviewed 100 plus students around the world to get into McKinsey. Yes, the hit rate of how many have actually recruited is pretty low of interviews, but I really enjoy it. And a lot of students have come back to me saying that, thank you for the interview, and we really enjoyed it. So we know how to help you get to solve cases. But other than that, just a fun fact, Akshat and I were classmates at INSEAD, and it was a really good experience. So Akshat, here you go.
Sure. So thanks, Pawan. So guys, my name is Akshat Srivastav. I'm hoping that you guys might have been reading some of the content that Pawan and I are writing for the last few months. So this is me on the left-hand side. This is my son, Zain. He's 3 months old now. He was born. This is like a 2-month-old photo of us. So yeah, so that's a quick introduction. And in terms of professional experiences, I started my career working with a cabinet minister in India. So I used to be in his public policy consulting team. So I've done government consulting. Then I worked with BCG for a little while, and then I went to INSEAD with Pawan. And post that, I joined Dalberg, which is a social impact consulting organization. So that has been my career. I have entirely worked in consulting. Now I run my own investment fund. We invest in education-centric companies. So that is about our background. And now just very quickly talking about the Cases Over Coffee network and what we have been able to achieve over the last 3 days, three and a half, 4 days. So we have had like so we have had students from INSEAD, Stanford, Booth, Columbia, Cambridge, IIT Bombay, IIM Kozhikode, SRCC, and many other top institutes join our network. They are already on our network as paid members, and many are joining our community. If you guys are checking the profiles of people who are joining the LinkedIn group, you can very much assess the type of network we are trying to build. This does not mean that if you're from a lower ranked college, then you should get intimidated. Take this as a learning opportunity. There are several good folks, right? And there are several stories that we ourselves would present going forward, where you would see that people who graduated from like tier 2, tier 3 universities, they have made it big even in consulting. So but yeah, the primary objective of starting this network is very simple, and that we want to give you immense opportunities to connect with good folks, practice your case solving skills so that you can crack tough case interviews and land good roles, right? So that is a way we hope that this network shapes up. Right, Pawan. So can we move on to the second point?
Yes.
Right. So now, very quickly, now what do we get by joining Cases Over Coffee? Now, if you Pawan, can you mute everyone?
Okay.
Right. So, guys, one frequent question that we are getting around Cases Over Coffee is that what do I get by joining Cases Over Coffee? Now, right now, we are thinking about three specific things. We are already executing these. So the first is that if you join our membership, the first thing that we do for you is that we connect you with a case partner, right? So case partners are basically people from within the same network, that is Cases Over Coffee network. We'll connect you with one of these partners for 2 weeks, and you will solve a case with them. And then subsequently, we will rotate you, and then we will give you a different case partner. So every month, we will connect you with two different case partners with whom you will solve business related cases. So that is the first key value add. So how does this help you? This helps you very simply in terms of number one, improving your case solving skills, and number two, it helps you in terms of increasing and expanding upon your network, right? So that is the primary agenda here, because if you get to interact with a lot of different folks from different universities, schools, culture, background, it's always good to build your network in a intense manner, right? Because there are platforms like LinkedIn where you will add like thousands of people, but you might have hardly spoken with them ever. But through Cases Over Coffee, we are trying to actually help you build a relevant network which uh, gets you professional help, right? So that is the first key thing that we are doing, and we will continue to do this. The second key point is that we are organizing master classes. We will be organizing it. We already have recruited several top speakers. These include these include professors from top universities and business schools. And second, we will be having industry experts who will be coming and talking about. So we, for example, in early July, we have a hedge fund expert who will talk about the hedge fund industry with our members, and they will talk about what hedge fund jobs are. These jobs apparently pay approximately 2.5 to 3 crores a year in India, right? So these are like elite jobs that people don't even know about exist in India. So we will try to bring such people on board, and we will try to mobilize the network. We also have a Portuguese friend of mine. He will be joining our network, and he will be talking about networking tips if you want to work in Europe. So we will be organizing these kind of master classes. Now, your obvious question would be that, hey, I see so many courses on Udemy and XYZ platform. So why don't I join those only, right? The thing is that these type of master classes, what we are organizing, these are intensive learning master classes, right? So there is a principle called as 80-20 principle. It simply means that you get 80% of the results by putting in 20% of the effort, right? For example, if you let's say want to play guitar really well, right? And if you put in uh, uh, 1 month intensively, you will learn a lot, right? I mean, you might probably pick up like 30-40% of the total learning that might happen for you. So that is the principle that what we are following, rather than giving you like a series of like 50-hour long classes, we are going to teach you very prominent industry relevant concepts and skills that you need to survive in the corporate world in a very concise and precise manner, right, through master classes. Right? So that is two. Third is that we will share knowledge bites. So knowledge bites are frequent updates that we will share on topics like economy, finance, business, and contextualize it to management, consulting, and problem solving. Right. Before I let Pawan speak a little bit more about this slide, just one very quick thing. Your boss, your teachers, your friends might throw around terms like that. Hey, become a better leader, become a better case solver, become a better problem solver, right? You should have strong interpersonal skills. But what do you exactly mean by this, right? I mean, Pawan and I have been hearing these terms: interpersonal skills, problem solving, effective communication. But have you broken these things down and have you tried to identify what this skill set is? Right. So that is the problem that we are trying to solve. That we will give you nuggets of information that you can use and build upon, and then build these kind of skills through our network, right? And you can practice that with your case partner, right? So that is the agenda. So Pawan, anything that you would like to add?
Yes, a few things, guys, about some of the upcoming sessions. There was also a question, so I'll just answer it right away. So in the next 1 month, guys, we will be organizing a session every weekend, and some of the speakers include one of you guys were asking, can you learn about social impact consulting? So we have a speaker who is assistant director at Ministry of Finance, Government of India. So great speaker, where we are building a few social impact cases. So you have an answer for that. As Akshat already mentioned, we have a ex-McKinsey current venture capital accelerator guy from Portugal joining us. We have a communications coach based out of Singapore giving a webinar for our members in the next 1 month. So we are building this intensive list of speakers, which is pretty hard to access to you guys, and it's honestly hard to build that kind of list of speakers for us too, but we are making it possible for you this starting next weekend.
Wonderful.
Go ahead, Akshay.
Okay, wonderful. So can we move on to the third point, Pawan?
Yes.
Okay, so now we get a lot of questions as to who this program is for and how it would benefit us. So very quickly, we'll just like to clarify that this program, the target audience, number one, are college students. Number two, people who want to learn about consulting, because you will get to solve cases and we will give you partners. So of course, your consulting skills and consulting skill set will improve as you engage further with the network. College students will benefit both by attending master classes, gaining more knowledge through knowledge bites, solving cases, and getting targeted jobs around certain industries. And third is professionals, right? So for example, if you're already working with EY and if you want to switch to McKinsey, Bain, BCG, then joining this network will be really helpful for you, because we will try to pair you up with consultants sometimes like McKinsey, BCG, Bain, with whom you can solve cases, right? So yeah, so that's the agenda. If you're even like working in core industry, like let's say if you're working with Maruti Suzuki, or if you're working with Swiggy, etc., and if you want to move to management consulting or some other industry where case testing is asked, then being a professional, you can leverage our network for good benefits.
Yes, just before moving on to the next page, guys, a few of you are asking our Q&A at the end. No, guys, you can keep asking questions and we'll keep answering them. We are taking down a note of the questions and we'll answer one by one whenever we are in that particular slide. So 2 questions we already answered. Guest lecture frequency once a week. We will have more of them, some intermittent master monthly sessions too. The second question, how many how will you help in preparing for social impact consulting? So we did answer there are a social impact consulting cases too. As a consultant, your objective should be to be ready to solve a business problem, and that business problem could be from any industry. So we are mixing and matching up cases from HR, IT, social impact consulting, and tech, and many different industries. So we'll take the further questions as we move along.
Guys, and very quickly on social impact consulting. So I come from a social impact background. So I've done government policy consulting. I have worked with Dalberg, which is considered to be #1 firm in social impact consulting currently, and I work with BCG Social Impact Practice also. So bottom line is that, of course, we will have a lot of my friends who will be joining this network, giving cases, taking cases. We'll be coming up with specific new cases every 2 weeks, which you will find, right? A lot of students have been reaching out to us from different business schools and organizations telling us that, hey, where should we go and solve a case? So we will be giving you access to new cases and new very recent cases. So, whatever material is available online, that is very dated. So for example, if you take a look at any of the old books, they have been in existence for the last 20-30 years and cases barely change, right? So we are trying to come up with new relevant cases which will have a strong alignment with the type of interviews you are likely to face with management consulting firms or with any organizations for that matter. So consider this network as a knowledge gaining and knowledge sharing network, right? That is what our intent is. Right. So a question that we frequently get is that, hey, why do you keep the prices so low? So our idea is to develop a network, right? I mean, that is the point, because if you actually check our people who are doing similar work, working with consulting or helping people get into management consulting, you will easily see that people charge upwards of $350 an hour to solve a case. Even on network-based platforms, I won't name them, but basically you can check the the plan starts at like $18 or $20, which is quite a lot for Indian students. So resultantly, many of the undergrads, MBA program students don't end up joining any network per se. The best they can do is that hope their consulting club at their institute give them enough resources. So our idea is to add a lot of value to you, right? So if we add value X to you, and you, if we charge X to you, and if you are getting 3X the value from it, then it's very, then we can ask you to add value to this network, right? And that is the goal, right? So for example, if someone is hearing me out on this chat, and if you are at, let's say, Ernst & Young, and if we are able to connect you with someone from McKinsey, you do a case with McKinsey, you benefit from them, then we are hoping that you will contribute to this network by helping others learn how to solve cases, right? Because Pawan and I cannot do, like, let's say 200 cases a month, right? I mean, there is a limit to the number of cases that we can solve with people from our community, right? So we will try to do our best to solve cases as well, but every person gets scammed. So our hope is that anyone who is joining our network, we'll sometimes connect you with a better pair. Sometimes you will get, sometimes you will get partnered with a person whom you would have to teach, right? So take both these sides of the equation, right? Sometimes you will benefit, sometimes you will have to give benefits to others. So if you join the network with that perspective of helping others, you yourself will grow, right? So that is the intent, and that is the reason why we are keeping the prices very low to begin with. Then your obvious question would be that, hey, why don't you do it for free? So we actually did it for free initially, and we got a lot of people who registered, showed interest. We paired them, then they backed out, they wasted the other person's time, then they reached out to us, the person who was interested in solving cases, then we had to repair them again. So it creates a lot of problems. So therefore we have kept a certain price, so that we only get serious people now, so that the network can thrive. Otherwise it just ends up wasting a lot of time, right? So that's the intent. Okay.
Also, guys, a few questions. Akshat, shall we move on to the next page?
Sure. Otherwise we can keep taking questions meanwhile. Not a
Yes, okay. We'll just move on anyways. Okay, let's take some questions. So guys, a lot of you are asking just ideas of other services, mentoring. Have you guys? Yes, guys, yes. So we are, the, there is one particular issue that we would like to solve for all of you guys. All of you, including us, Akshat and myself, we need to improve our communication skills. No matter what, how long we are in the industry, how long we need to, we are working, or wherever, like we are advanced level or at the bottommost level, we need to improve on communication skills. Everybody would agree for that fact. Nobody can say that I'm a master communicator, right? So help out others, and we are bringing a communication expert on board who will help you improve your communication skills to the next level. Definitely. One of the questions that you guys are asking is, how many cases would you solve per month? So guys, our promise that we are giving to you is 2 cases 2 case partners will give you per month, right? If your case partner is not responding, let's say as we continue to move into the next section. So guys, yeah, so one of the most common questions is my partner is unresponsive. So guys, all of the partners, everybody on this network has signed up, and unfortunately some are not responding. Probably some of them are really busy, some of them are not, forgot. But we hope that if you sign up, if you are giving time to somebody, please respect their time and give that time, and also the learnings that you will get and also the other person will get. If you are not getting a response from your partner, right? That's the most common thing. Please email us. We will partner you with a new guy. But there is also a problem that a lot of guys have responded to us uh, within a day of saying that my partner did not respond. We paired them up, and the first partner also called. So now there are groups of 3. So that's a problem. So let us wait for at least 3 days. If 72 hours, if the partner isn't responding, please let us know. We will basically get you a new partner. Okay.
Right.
That's our
So just
promise that we will. Yes, go ahead. Okay.
right, Pawan. So just to add to that, because this is a very important slide, so I just wanted to stress for 2 minutes on this. So guys, first and foremost, we have built a network, and as we with time, this network will improve automatically. Why? Because we will be able to filter out non-serious candidates from serious candidates. Now your question would be, how would you do it? Because our plan is very simple, that right now we are giving you case 1 and we are all in week 1, and you guys are doing case 1. Once you're done with case 1, we will give you a feedback form to fill about your partner. So we'll get feedback about the partner, and this will be done anonymously. Similarly, with every week, we'll keep getting feedback about different people who are on the network. So we will be able to associate and differentiate between how good people are in terms of solving cases, what is their level is, whom should we match them up with. That's one. Second is that who are non-serious people. That's two, right? So on and so forth. So this data that we'll get, it will allow us to connect you with better partners going forward. That's the first pillar. The second pillar is that right now we empathize with your situation, that sometimes we might pair you with a person whom you might not like, whom you feel that, hey, you know what, he's wasting my time, he or she's wasting my time. It would happen, and we, of course, it is please. But see, if you get a really bad partner for some reason who is non-serious, please inform us, and we will do everything in our power to support you and change the partner. However, please don't give up on your partner thinking that, you know what, this he's a novice, right? And why should I teach him? Because you can learn or you can teach, but by teaching you learn too, right? So if you're teaching someone something, it's number one, you're doing good for the network, so please do it, right? I mean, we are also trying to add a lot of value to it, right? Similarly, when we pair you with someone else, right, there are chances that that person might be able to teach you too, right? So it's a paid forward kind of a model. So that is what we are trying to build, and I hope you will support us with this vision, and genuinely
Yes.
that's what we are trying to do, right? So that is the goal.
Hey, Akshat, can you hear me?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So, guys, there was one question. Can you guys take a session on interviewing, or who is a case partner actually, right? So there are 2 levels of case partners you would get. The first level, somebody who is exactly similar to you, probably a better case solver or not a great solver as you are, but somebody who is actually preparing for management consulting interviews. Because typically, if you know about management consulting case interview preparation, you need to practice roughly 30 to 40 or 40, more than 40 cases. So we are enabling you to find that partner, a new partner who has a different style every single time. So that gives you empowerment. The second, a question that came up, can you help us with a session on interviewing? Absolutely, we'll create a session on interviewing within the next 1 week, and we'll help you. How do you actually interview your case partner? So if the case partner is a beginner and you are interviewing them, you help them out in terms of, yes, you have the case statement in front of you. There is a case statement on casesovercoffee.com. So that's the case statement you will take as an interviewer, and you will ask questions to the candidate and you'll give feedback, okay, on how that particular person is doing in that case. So we will conduct a session on how to give feedback and what are some of the elements you need to give feedback on, so that you understand what is the interviewer on the other side of the table trying to evaluate. Okay, so these are some of the things. The first level of case solvers, case partner is one, somebody similar to you, and that is how folks start their preparation. The first step, if you know guys, typically people who are preparing for management consulting industries, they prepare for roughly, if you are preparing, if you're in undergrad 4th year, and if your interviews are in October, people start anywhere from 3rd year to 2nd year. People spend a lot of time preparing cases. Okay, and in the first stage, people solve themselves a few cases. The second stage, which is the most extensive stage, they go and solve cases with partners, right? Some students or some professionals just like them. That's the biggest stage for improving in case solving. That's number 2, right? Number 3, then they go ahead and try to solve cases with some experienced professionals. That is where typically it is in the north of like $300 to $400 that Akshat was saying. So the first step, read some books, you keep start doing stuff. Second, actually interact with folks, start working with folks on how to improve on casing. That's the longest phase, and that takes a lot of time to and you will learn a lot in that process. That's number 2. Number 3 is where case partners level 2 is something we are inserting into the network. Like we have like 15 to 20 rock star case solvers right now in the network. So we will give sessions for you guys randomly. So you won't expect that session like coming in the next 1 week, 2 weeks, or any time like that. There's no like date fixed, but along with the 2 case partners, or one of the case partners could be a rockstar case partner who will give you a lot of feedback on how you can improve. So those are intermittent sessions. These are the sessions like that are upward of $300, but we are bringing in a few guys. So one of the guys that who is joining us is an incoming McKinsey associate in Bombay office. So that girl has decided that she will spend some time and she wants to coach roughly up to 8 to 10 guys every month. And we have another incoming BCG associate from Delhi office. So that guy also has volunteered to coach some people. So you will get some of these case partners randomly, but the other level of case partners that you'll be working is somebody exactly similar in your boat, right? Some who are probably not as great as you, some probably who are better, but start learning that process, because that's step 2 in the entire case process, case preparation process. Okay, as I mentioned, 2 questions that we're answering. One, wait for at least 72 hours if your case partner is not responding, because we have seen cases where the case partner responds and there are 3 pairs. Okay, so give some time. The second, uh, this partnering with the case partners at your level is typically the longest phase in preparation for management consulting case interviews. And this process usually, and this particular stage lasts for 2 years. If you have talked to somebody who has probably prepared for case interviews, you will get that number. Because I myself am not from IIT or SRCC or any of the top IITs in India, or BITS Pilani or any of these top colleges, but I worked for McKinsey for a long time, so I know how hard I had to prepare for this. Awesome. Go ahead, Akshay.
Yep. Okay, so guys, very quickly, I will not take a lot of your time. So very quickly, what we need to do next is, in case you guys are interested in joining the formal membership, hey Pawan, I'm not able to see that slide.
Oh, okay. Is it better? Can you see the screen?
No, six number.
Sorry.
I'm not
Oh,
able to
sorry.
scroll.
Okay. All right.
Right. Okay. Yeah. So basically, you can join our membership. A lot of people message us asking us that, hey, how should we join the membership? So please go on casesovercoffee.com and you can see the subscription plan. You need to make the payment via the payment gateway, and in case you're unable to process that payment, or if your credit card does not work, etc., you will get an email from us in your inbox. Please check your promotions tab, and there we have outlined how you can make the payment via Paytm, etc., and then you will receive a payment confirmation. Right. So these are very quick steps.
Yeah, Akshat, one second. I wanted to answer a few questions
So
before. A lot of you guys, on WhatsApp, on different mediums of social media handles have reached out to us saying that you did not get any email from us. So please look into the promotions tab. We are a new company, so all our emails are kicked into the promotion tabs by Gmail, and any other email server is pushing our emails into spam folders. Okay, so please take it, put it in your primary inbox, and add it to your contacts so that you will be able to get emails subsequently from us. Okay, even when you register, we deliberately put a box at the bottom saying that please check your spam or promotions folder. Okay, so that is a problem that we are facing. We've sent out like 1800 emails, but majority said we didn't get an email. All right, guys. So yes, another question a lot of you are asking is your payment gateway problems. Please look at the email that is in the spam folder. You will have alternate payment options as well, like Paytm, etc. Okay, so please do that. Now, the other question, different companies have different types of case rounds. That's a fantastic question. MBB to Big Four to boutiques to, so wanted to ask the diversity of cases. Yes, guys, one single thing which we want to highlight, McKinsey, BCG, Bain, when I was preparing for these companies, literally I was from like tier 2. I'm from NIT Rourkela. Definitely I haven't seen like management consulting company, McKinsey, BCG, Bain, PwC, EY. None of these companies came to my campus, so I didn't know what case interviews were. To be honest, I didn't have any clue about what case interviews were, so I had to pick up somewhere and I had to get started. So please pick up, only then you can actually get started with stuff. This is a fantastic learning opportunity. Take that as a learning opportunity. Don't get bogged down. If somebody, the partner is better than you or worse than you, you will be paired with somebody whom you can learn from too all the time. Okay. Now the question is, so wanted to ask the diversity of cases. The cases would come from all kinds of backgrounds that you are currently facing, right? Why does a food delivery giant, any food delivery giant in India, how should they come back to their revenue levels, right? Why are oil prices falling down? What is the work from home impact, right, on cost savings of an organization? Or how does it impact the culture of a company or the mood of satisfaction levels of people? So a lot of different kinds of cases, right? What is the impact of oil pricing on customers? So you can see the wide range of questions. We will basically start sticking to the latest and the greatest situations that are happening in the world right now, which is like unfortunately one of the main events in our lives. We will expect a lot of cases to be asked by any company in the world around these topics in the next 2 to 3 years. So we are focusing on building cases exactly on these lines, right? So one other common question from you guys is, I have the same case. How do I basically ask the same questions if I already know the answer? So guys, we will be giving a case variant, a different variant of the same case every Monday morning. So if you have a brand new case today, you are the interviewer or you are the candidate, you will get a different variant of the case in your inbox next Monday morning. And please solve with the same case partner, two different types, right, of the same case question, so that you are an interviewer once and you're also a candidate once. Okay, so that's again a great question. We'll have one model solution because the solutions are not about what you don't need to do PhD about COVID, guys, or Corona. You don't need to do PhD about it. The question is about how well you can think or how well you can structure your thoughts, right? That you don't need a degree from like Harvard or you don't need a degree from any other college. You have to work on that skill, and you can working with various people on this skill. Yep, go ahead, Akshat. So just quickly, guys, just to quickly get back, all our emails are ending, unfortunately, in the promotions tab. If once you click on the register button, just go back. Once you click on the register payments and get done with everything, just go into the promotions tab. There will be an email from us waiting for you. Okay, and follow the steps from there. If your case partner is not responding, give your case partner benefit of doubt for at least 3 days. And if that's not happening, come back to us. We will allocate a new case partner for you. That is number 2. Number 3,
Right.
yeah, go ahead, Akshat.
Hey, Pawan. So a very important question someone asked. So attendee 170. So does week 1 officially start this coming Monday? So guys, we work on a subscription model. So what this means is that whenever you join, at that point in time, it's likely that someone else is also joining, right? So let's say that you join tomorrow, which is Sunday, right? So now whether week 1 has started or not, it's irrelevant from that angle. So the moment you join our network, I'm sure that other people would also be joining. So we'll pair them pair them with you, right? And whatever case is going on that week, we'll give you access to that case to solve, right? So that is the idea. And whatever master classes, knowledge bites are happening, you will start receiving these data points and knowledge material from that point itself, right? So that's the idea. But definitely give us like 24 to 48 hours after you have made the payment for the membership for us to get back to you and pair you up, because the pairing takes time. We have to look for a relevant profile for us to connect for us to connect you with someone, right? Find their email, etc. So just give us like whenever you make the payment and join the network, just give us like 24 to 48 hours and you'll be paired. So you can start working and taking advantage of the network in like another 2 to 3 days, right? So that's the point.
Yes. One other question that we are getting, Akshat, is there any way we can prepare beforehand a bit that we are able to effectively respond at the time of proper peer interviews? Jasmeet, wonderful question, but unfortunately, uh, case interviews are the only interviews where you can't prepare beforehand. The question can be so new that you don't even know what's the question you are going to expect. And we want you to face that situation so many times again and again and again that you are comfortable answering these questions in any situation. So yes, so it's actually a good idea that you are not prepared before these interviews, but you will improve over a period of time, right? That period is actually typically 2 years for anybody who has gotten into McKinsey, BCG, Bain. You see, they prepared for at least like 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. So you see, a lot of effort goes into the preparation for management consulting case interviews. Somebody asked, do we provide solutions? Pulkit, yes, we do provide solutions. All the members, you can go and you can find the model solution for that case. For all the two variants together, we'll give one solution. Just go through that solution after probably giving the case and also taking the case. It would help you and your partner learn a lot. Go through that model solution and probably discuss.
And guys, that solution is prepared either by BCG, Bain, or McKinsey consultant, right? So we are giving you like very good solutions, and you can actually listen to those solutions. So it's not like, so management consulting cases or any kind of business related problems does not work on a mathematical model. So it's not like that someone will give you a business problem that what is 2 plus 3, and you give 5 as the answer and you're through, right? So it's not maths. Basically, how you're communicating your answer, what you're, how you're explaining your logic, what kind of language, tone, structure you use, whether the other person is understanding you or not, whether you let other person speak or not. These are all very important professional skills. And if you hear BCG, Bain, McKinsey consultants speak, you will get that understanding from them. You can possibly incorporate those points into your own communication style, right? So it's not about just finding a solution. It's about how well and what the process of finding that solution is. So
Yes.
the type of model and the type of answers that we are creating, that is our primary value add to the network, that you actually get to see a BCG, Bain, McKinsey consultant solve that case, right? So that is the beauty of the model, and that is what we are
Yes.
trying to promote.
Akshat, one other question, very interesting question asked by Rohan. Like, are the case interviews given during the US MBA recruitments, Indian MBA recruitments, Indian undergrad recruitments, or off-campus recruitments everywhere, anywhere in the world, majority of these case interviews, are they the same? Right, guys? The question might be different, but fundamentally what is being evaluated in any case interview anywhere in the world are the skills are exactly the same. We'll talk about these skills in various sessions continuously. This is not the right forum for that topic, but you can imagine I took interviews in various parts of the world for undergraduate students to MBA students to experienced folks. Uh, the number of the case kind of questions are always the same. Rohan, it's always the same kind of questions. Ashish asked a question. He subscribed yesterday. You are returned to him and are waiting for your case partner. Ashish, wait for 3 days. Get back to us. We will make sure you solve 2 cases with 2 partners in a month. Okay, so that's our promise. Guys, just
No,
to
so attendee 29 again, the similar question that, hey, if I subscribe now, would I start using the benefits after 2 weeks? No, absolutely not. This is an ongoing network. So whenever you join, that week itself, we will have people joining the network with you, right? So we'll pair you with them. So that way you get the ball rolling in like another 2 days, literally, and we find you a case partner within 2 days, and you can start taking advantage of that. So yeah, so that's what we are trying
Yes,
to do.
somebody also asked about whether this is trial period, but guys, in the trial period, we are already having an interviewing session for the members. We are also having a communications coach, and we already have a few lined up events for members to start with. We just want everybody to get a flavor of what case is actually. So that's the reason why we started, but everybody, all the members would enjoy certain kind of things throughout even the trial period. Right. And guys, even if your trial period starts today and if your case partner isn't responding for 3 days, 4 days, please don't worry. There are a lot of other things. You just get started. This is a long journey on how to improve on your casing. Uh, Start learning stuff simultaneously now that you are serious about it. And if your case partner isn't responding within 3 days, we will help you find a partner.
Exactly, right? Okay, one very quick question, that what is the time commitment? So guys, roughly if you are on our network for 2 to 3 hours per, maybe let's say 2 hours per week, that's more than enough. I think you will get enough benefit. Uh, Post that, you can selectively pick. So if you are a working professional and if you barely get any time and if you can't even invest like 2 hours a week, that's okay. That's not a big deal. You just simply uh, handpick the classes that you want to do, and if you just want to solve case, just solve a case. If you just want to attend one or two master classes that are happening over that month when you have bought the subscription for, you can just handpick and do those master classes. This is precisely the reason why we have kept the prices so low, that even if you miss out on, let's say, 80% of the action that is happening, that 20% that you will be able to attend, that itself will give you enough return from that network.
Yes. Guys, some people are asking like, uh, what do I, how will be notified about master classes? If you can, please switch the emails from promotions tab to your primary tabs, you will get the emails about that. Okay. Aishwarya, if you register today, yes, you will get an case partner registration typically within 24 to 48 hours. Okay. Will the trial period end and will I get access? So guys, if you register for after 2 weeks, I mean, no problem. Whenever you want to register, please register. But the access for the case model solution for this week is given to the members, and you will get the access if you are a member during this week. Right? If I want to be, any other questions you want to quickly take, Akshat?
So we will be sharing the recording. Yes. Others I am not able to find. Let's just move forward. We'll keep taking questions along the way.
Yes. Yes. Mijesh, you did not get an email in the spam folder. Please write down to admin at casesovercoffee.com and we will respond to you as early as we can. Guys, if you have any questions, I'm just repeating, if you have any kind of questions, right? If, for example, if we are not able to answer a few questions here, we will try and answer all the process related questions through admin at casesovercoffee.com. Okay. Please give the guy handling inbox something, because he's not a case consultant. So probably the industry answers you might not get, but you will get all the process related answers. Okay. Mijesh, please email. We will look into it as soon as possible. Okay.
Right. So
Yeah.
very quickly, I'll take one more question and move on to point number 7. So someone asked that, hey, what is the purpose of 3 or 6 months duration? How does this differ? So attendee 49, basically, this is a network, right? So if you stay on the network for 1 month, you get to solve 2 cases, attend like 1 or 2 master classes. Then next month we repeat, rinse and repeat on different topics. We'll keep, adding new cases to the mix. We'll keep inviting new people to the mix. You will get to learn from them. We'll keep organizing different kind of workshops, events, right? We are also planning on introducing a case competition, right, within the group, and there will be like reward money and everything. So bottom line is that if you stay on the network for only 3 months, and if on the 4th month something interesting happens which might be of interest to you or you might find it more useful, then you will miss those kind of classes. The point is that we'll keep adding a lot of novelty to the entire experience. We'll call different people, organize very strong master classes, every week the promise is that every 2 weeks you will get to do a new case, right? That is the absolute minimum that you will benefit from. So let's say that if you're on the network for, let's say, 2 years, right, then you are solving 24 new cases, which is good progress, right? And you at least need to solve 50-60 cases to get into a company like McKinsey, BCG, or Bain.
Yes. One other question, Mr. Tapan, definitely please reach out to admin@casesovercoffee.com. We will look into it immediately and we'll get back to you if you haven't received any email with your case partner. Please email us and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Aditya, will you get the recording of this session? Yes, we will. Srishti, we will send you the recording of this session. Aditya, we will get the recording of previous sessions if I join after 3 weeks. No, guys, the benefit is from the point that you join till the point you are in the network. That is as simple as that, right? You wouldn't get prior information or later information. The time for you are in the network, you will get all the benefits that you are entailed to.
Hey, attendee 155. So great question, man. So the bottom line there is that I work with Dalberg, which is like considered to be a top-notch social impact consulting firm. I used to solve business cases also. I had offers from other traditional consulting firms as well. Bottom line is that there is no such thing as solving cases only for social impact, right? Of course, we will create like social impact consulting cases also, but the underlying current, whether you're applying to McKinsey, BCG, Bain, Dalberg, FSG, social impact, Bridgespan Consulting, etc., the thing is that they look for your problem solving skills and how structured you are, how efficiently you are able to communicate. So these are the skills that you need to develop. Case solving is just a mechanism for you to develop it. So take it as a practice. If you only solve like social impact cases, then it might very well happen that at your Dalberg interview or FSG interview, they might not even give you a social impact case, right? Despite being a social impact consulting firm. So you need to know how to solve all types of cases.
Yes. Guys, good. Some good questions along the way. Somebody asked, I am currently pursuing BBA, Bachelor's in Business Administration. Can I work for a management consultancy firm after my undergrad? Definitely, guys. You will see once you join these companies, guys from military, right, who are military regiment leaders, who are doctors for like 6 to 10 years, who are architects, like you will see basically people from all walks of your life, right? So no particular degree will be restrictive if you want to get into management consulting industry. That's the beauty of it. So we recently got a doctor on board just to prove that point. Okay, so if you are from BBA, if you are from MBA, if you are from like an architect or economics engineer, doesn't matter which background, as long as you are good at solving cases, you will be able to crack these interviews. Okay, so the better thing is like I was a metallurgy engineer. Now I don't even use any kind of metallurgy. Unfortunate or fortunate, I don't know, but that's one of the answers. Yes, Garvit, great question. Can you please answer? Can you provide us some initial idea on how to solve cases for people who are entirely new? Yes, Garvit, for all the members, we are releasing a beginner's guide. In the next couple of days, like probably 2 to 4 days, you will find the beginner's guide. You will get an email about it and you will be able to access from your dashboard. On for a beginner's level, how do you get started with cases? A simple sample case, Garvit, could be, can you, if I'm an interviewer, I'm asking you a question, the